Unveiling the meaning of attic light. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we explore the fascinating world of English phrases and idioms. Today, we're diving into the meaning behind the phrase, attic light. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced English learner, this video will shed light on this intriguing expression and help you use it correctly in your conversations. Attic light is a phrase that, on the surface, seems straightforward, but it has a deeper, metaphorical meaning. The attic in a house is the space just below the roof, often used for storage or sometimes converted into a room. An attic light is simply a light in this space. However, metaphorically, the phrase goes beyond this literal interpretation. In a metaphorical sense, attic light can symbolize enlightenment, discovery, or a sudden realization. Imagine an attic filled with old, forgotten items. When the light is turned on, things that were once hidden are revealed. Similarly, an attic light moment in conversation or literature often signifies a moment of clarity or understanding, especially about something previously obscured or complicated. To effectively use attic light in a sentence, it's important to frame it in a context that suggests a revelation or discovery. For example, when she explained the theory, it was like an attic light turned on in my mind. The final chapter of the book really turned on the attic light for the whole story. Notice how in both examples, the phrase is used to express a moment of comprehension or insight. So, there you have it. The phrase, attic light, is more than just a light in a storage space. It's a beautiful metaphor for moments of clarity and understanding. We hope this explanation illuminates your English learning journey. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more insights into English language and usage. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.